Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can export your video clips on Shotcut in MP3 format. So let us dive into it right away. So let's say you've been working on a video clip like that. So all you need to do is click on export here at the top there, and after that click on advanced here, just like that. And after that head over to this feature here at the top, format. Click on it to access the drop-down menu, and here from that list simply look for, let me find it, MP3. There you go, MP3, and confirm by clicking on export file here. Choose your output folder on your computer. Click on and give it a name, of course, the file, and wait for the exporting process to be finished. Now, in this case here, the file is not going to export because it lacks audio in the background. I'm just saving and exporting a video clip, a muted video clip from Pexels. But if you add an audio track to your video clip, you will be able to save it and export it in MP3 format on your computer. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.